Kebbi Sales Booster Solution is an AI-powered robotic sales assistant suite. It includes Me Kebbi along with Nua Gen AI, the robot management system, and creative tools like RowFlow and TrainKit. I'm Kebbi, a compact tabletop robot with a 16.5 inches arm span. I'm 12.2 inches tall, just a bit taller than a sheet of A4 paper. Plug in my charging cable to fill me up, then I'll be ready to work for hours. You can also use the skin editor to create a custom character that fits your brand image. Use Miracast to project my screen onto a larger display for clearer viewing. RMS makes managing a large number of robots remotely simple and efficient. Add all team members to collaborate in managing the robots. The remote robot has received the file, making it easy to update and manage multiple robots simultaneously. The secret of Sales Booster, RowFlow. Flexibly design robot service workflows while tracking and analyzing service data in physical stores. All settings can be updated remotely. You can use TrainKit to input company-specific content, enabling the robot to respond and serve according to your needs. RowFlow can be used with TrainKit. Use AI to respond to customer inquiries within the service workflow. Users can switch between multiple languages, so I can serve more international customers. Nua can also train a dedicated AI brain and customize robot roles for enterprises. Make Kebbi memorize all the data immediately. You can set trigger conditions based on distance. I can respond differently depending on how close someone is. With the menu module, customers can tap on the content they're interested in.
Our electric coffee grinder features patented technology.
When human assistance is needed, the live call module enables video support to help resolve customer issues. Display a web page or QR code on the screen to guide customers through the ordering process. Consumer preference data from the previous menu survey can be viewed directly in RowFlow. Kebbi, redefining smart service with AI expertise.